All right, guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, let me know in the chat box where you are coming in from. We are going to get this call kicked off here in the next 2 minutes. We are officially live on Facebook as well. We have so many people joining us here on Zoom. If you're watching live on Facebook, do this for me right now. Make sure to click that share button and let people know about what's going on with Paid to Live. Not only are we going to show you tonight how powerful this movement is, we have one of our master traders that's actually going to show you how we've been catching so many pips over and over and over every single week, and you are going to see that live here tonight. So if you're excited to be here with me, give me a 777 in the chat box and know that we are going to get this call kicked off here in the next 2 minutes. Once again, make sure to share this if you're watching with us on Facebook, and we're about to get this show on the road. Slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream. My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. Slowly drifting, way back when, slowly drifting. Pulling against the stream, pulling against the all right, guys. We are about to get this call kicked off. Welcome out to Paid to Live. 60 seconds, and we're getting this call kicked off. Share this if you're watching live right now, because we're about to get this show on the road and show you how powerful this Paid to Live movement is. All right, guys, if you are ready to get this call on the road, I need you to give me one more time a 777 in the chat box, and it is time to roll. Guys, welcome out to Paid to Live. My name is Josh Feltz. I am here at the beach in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. Guys, it has been absolutely amazing what is going on right now, and the amount of people who are winning every single day by just being plugged in and a part of this movement, okay? So what I'm going to do for you here tonight is we're going to get this call kicked off, and I'm going to have a conversation with you, okay? What I'm not going to do tonight is go through a presentation, okay? I'm going to talk to you about how powerful this Paid to Live trading platform actually is. Okay, so many people all around the world have a desire to learn how to make more money, right? They have a desire to learn how to multiply money. Now, I'm going to talk to you about something that maybe you've never heard of before, okay? The whole movement here at Paid to Live is to teach people how to genuinely get paid to live and do what they want to do in life, right? I'm here at the beach, but I'm growing my account. I'm getting paid every single day. Right? Give me a yes in the chat box right now if you agree with me that getting paid to do what you love to do makes a lot more sense than being miserable doing what you don't love to do and you don't have money, right? Like, let's just begin to think about these things, okay? And when we come to these conclusions of why this is so important, we get to a place in our life where we put ourselves in a place that either we find something that helps us get there or we stay in a place of lack. And what I want to help all of you do the rest of 2020 during such a crazy time that we're living in is learn how to really multiply your money and put yourself in a financial situation where you're not in a place of lack. Okay, so if you agree with me that that makes a lot of sense, give me a yes in the chat box, and we are going to jump off into this right now. Okay, what I want to do is I want you guys to pay very close attention. I've been in the banking industry for the last 8 years. And what I learned being in the banking industry is that all of us, listen to me carefully, all of us that have money sitting in a bank account, our money is already being traded in the Forex market. If you don't know what Forex is, that's why you're here right now. If you do know what Forex is and you're not already profiting, that's why you're here right now. This pay to live movement, nobody is helping people win the way that we are. And I genuinely say that. This has nothing to do with anything else out there other than the fact that our people are winning on a massive level, and it's absolutely beautiful. Over the last 5 months now, over 16,000 people have partnered with this movement, and they are winning massively every single day in the Forex market. So what I want to do is I have brought on one of our master traders, Al Edward, okay? He is absolutely phenomenal. Over the last 3 days on his live sessions that our team have exclusively, a part of the Paid to Live organization, they have caught over 400 pips. Now, you may be asking what a pip is. So what I'm going to do is, rather than just talk any longer, I'm going to introduce you to a man who's going to show you exactly how it works. I was telling you just a second ago, all of us that have money sitting in a bank account, our money's already being traded in the Forex market. So what I'm going to do, and what Al is going to do, is show you how to, instead of being the person who's making someone else rich right now, your money that's sitting in the bank, that is multiplying in their favor. What the banks do is they take our money and they multiply it in this market, okay, called Forex. Now, the thing is, they're not giving you anything on that other than the 2% a year to keep your money in that account, while they go and make a lot more than that. So if you agree with me that you should be the one who is making money off of your money, one more time, give me a 777 in the chat box right now. And what Al's about to do is show you exactly how simple it is by literally plugging into live sessions, just like you're getting to see right now for free. And this is just a small scale and just a preview of the things that we're doing on our live sessions. So with that being said, Al, can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, I can.
Okay, perfect. Look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put you as the host. And at this point, take it over, my brother, and show us how to catch these pips.
I got you. I got you. All right. How's everyone doing this evening? First and foremost, let me I really want to thank Josh for caring enough about us as a team to help us take advantage of all the things we can do and really create generational wealth. That's really our focus for our team. And Josh, will you do me a favor and let me share my screen? That's really our focus as a group, and we all are here to help you. So
you should be good to go.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what we do as a team and how you can make money in the foreign exchange market. You will see, starting from the very beginning, we actually teach you the zones to pay attention to on a daily training. All right, free daily training that you get. And this particular trade here, once it breaks out and retests our particular zone, then you take the trade up. This particular trade would have been 30 pips. I'm going to give you in all of what we're looking at, but this particular trade, it broke outside of our zone, retested, and that particular trade went for about 130 pips. Another area of interest that we have highlighted for the group, it went for almost 50 pips. And then, last but not least, these trades have been done since Monday, Tuesday, and today. So in 3 days, this trade here was 100 and let's say 30 pips. In totality, in 3 days, we picked up, just between those 4 charts, we have picked up 290 pips. If you're trading at $10 lot size, okay, that's a $2,900 bonus that you just received from coming to a free training, and for us to show you where the zones are at and for you to take advantage of it. $2,900 just this week, and the week isn't even done, people. So think about this. If you can make an extra $2,900 a week, how would that change your life? What things could you do? All right. And not only that, who else could you help expose this opportunity to help change their life also? And so let's help educate millions of people on how we can do this and create generational wealth together as a team. And Josh, I'm going to turn it back over to you and say, we want everyone to win. All right. Thank you very much, Josh.
Absolutely. And hey, Al, if you could stay around just for a second.
Sure.
If you want to stop sharing your screen, I'm going to put it where people can see both of us. All right, let me turn my video back on. All right, perfect. So look, what I want to do, Al, is I want to ask you a couple questions. You said if someone was using, a standard lot, a $10 lot size, that could have been an extra, $2,900 that they could have made. But let's say someone that doesn't have a lot of money, because I know that in this situation that people are experiencing right now, a lot of people are really struggling financially,
Yes.
and what I want to talk to a lot of you guys about is outside of this just being something for people that do have a lot of money, there's a lot of people that don't have a lot of money, and a lot of people on our team, that's where they began. So if you could, just maybe for the next 60 seconds, 2 minutes, talk about how someone that has very little capital, they couldn't be trading a standard lot size right now, but could be making $1 per pip. They could be at a 0.10, right? I see someone said I started with $50. Right? And they begin to grow that. So Al, if you could just talk a little bit about that, and then I'm going to jump back in and share a couple things, and we're going to help people get to be partnered with this movement.
Sure. So if you start at a lower account, you can trade at $1 a pip at $290 in 3 days, and you have the potential, let's say another $100 on top of that. So an extra $300 to $400 a week. What could that do for you? And especially if you leave that into your account to where you can let that grow, think of the things by Christmas that you could do differently than that you were able to do last Christmas, right? Because this is a skill set. If you learn this skill set, it will pay you for as long as you want it to. My kids trade. So with that being said, my kids don't have to go and worry about working for someone else like most of us have, right? So with that being said, your kids can come into a situation knowing this skill set and totally change generationally what we have experienced. And imagine that for your grandkids, your great grandkids, et cetera, et cetera. And that's the power of this. And I just want to pass it on to other people.
I love it, man, and I couldn't agree more. Hey, if you could throw the host back over to me, I'm going to share something really quickly with everyone, and I want to show you a couple more things that you get for being a part of this Pay to Live movement. Every single day, Monday through Friday, I'll host live sessions, training, where he's teaching you how to trade, and then also trading sessions every single morning where you are able to actually get on and trade live with us, okay? And the thing that's powerful about that is you don't have to really know anything about trading. All you have to be able to do is be able to follow the master, be able to learn from someone that's already far better than you. But the good thing about working with someone that's better than you is they can actually help you get paid. Now, let me give this disclaimer real quick because this has not been made yet on this call. And since we're talking about Forex, I do want to make this very clear that there is no guarantees whatsoever in Forex. The FTC and the regulators make anyone talking about Forex disclose that there is risk involved with trading, right? You can make money and you can lose money. That's why being a part of the right team goes a long way, right? Yes. There's a lot of people that are losing, but what about the people that are winning? What if you could copy them? And this is what I'm going to talk to you about for just a second. And then we're going to wrap this up and you can get partnered with this movement today, okay? On top of the live sessions and everything that you're also going to get the trading education. This is a full academy for Forex and cryptocurrency, from videos and just more information that you can read through and really learn and grasp what's going on with this Forex market and cryptocurrency market and how you can now be winning in it every single day, every single week, right? It all starts with learning. What I know is this, and Al said it just a second ago. When you learn this skill set, no one can ever take this away from you. And here's the fact, guys. This is what the wealthy people are doing to become wealthier and wealthier. And if we as a society are ever going to become more wealthy just as people, the average person, we must learn the right information about money. And that's what we're doing here with Tradera. That's what we're doing with Paid to Live. We also have trade alerts, right? These are trade ideas from master traders that all you do is copy and paste, right? You heard over 200 plus pips on the live sessions this week alone. Last week, we had over 1,200 pips on trade ideas that were sent out. All you do is copy and paste. Everyone say yes in the chat box if you can copy and paste, right? Imagine copying the smart kid in school and their grade counted for you. That's what's going on. The hard work that Al's done and what he's learned in this market, he now can share the trades that he's taking with you. And now you have the ability to profit off that as if you have done all the hard work and heavy lifting and you know what's going on as well. This is so powerful. Copy and paste, learn while you earn. All right. We have the live sessions. You just heard about that. The company hosts live sessions every day. We as a team, we host live sessions every single day. These are powerful. You get to sharpen your skill set. You get to ask questions when the trader's there. If you don't understand something, and they'll take the time to explain it to you. Instead of going to like a classroom setting, welcome to the technological age where you can do everything right from your phone, on a computer, or on your phone, right? It's absolutely powerful. The next thing that we have is the market forecast. This is where the owners of our company are sending out weekly overviews of long-term setups, right? These can be absolutely powerful for you to see the longer-term setups and take advantage of those as well, okay? Then on top of that, you get access to the 20 pips and dip strategy as well as indicator. This is mind-blowing, okay? If you don't know how powerful pips are, right? You heard maybe $1 a pip, maybe $10 a pip, maybe $20 a pip, maybe $50 a pip. As you grow your account, you can make more money per pip, right? Based off what you're able to leverage, okay? And we teach you different ways to really compound your money. Albert Einstein said something that's really important to take note of. He said compound interest is the eighth wonder, or he says that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. So do you want to be the one who's paying compound interest, like your money right now? It's making someone else rich. Any debt that you have, you're paying interest on top of that. Everything is set up for you to lose financially. This is why we're showing you an alternative route and a much smarter route, which can really lead you to being generationally wealthy. Okay, and it's super powerful to take advantage of that. And then more than anything, guys, you get access to the trade community. Okay, so everything that you just saw on this call, all the mentorship, everything that you need to be successful. Guys, it's less than $100 to get started right now and $99 every 4 weeks, okay? It's $99 to get access to our exclusive team, calls, trainings, alerts, the education, the trade alerts, the live sessions, the market forecast, the 2-week syllabus, the 20 pips and dip strategy, the community, everything you need, guys. It's available right now for $99. So this is what I want to encourage you to do. Whoever invited you to this call, I want you to get back with them right now and let them know that you want to plug in and be a part of this Paid to Live movement. You want to position yourself to begin to multiply your money and it begin to benefit you and work in your favor rather than the banks. Okay, so give me an all in the comment section right now if you are all in and you growing financially. You're all in with you learning the right information about money. You're all in with stop staying in a place where you don't have the right vehicle to get you to where you want to go, because Paid to Live will do exactly that. Lead you to be paid to live, where you get to live how you want, do what you want. You don't have to answer to a boss, right? You genuinely get to put you and your family in a place of growing financially. And I am fired up to help you get there. And I'm telling you right now, do not delay on this moment right now, okay? There's never been a better time to be a part of this movement and to grow with us and learn the skill set, okay? So whoever invited you to this call, get back with them right now. Guys, I am fired up about what we have going on, and I'm looking forward to helping you get paid to live and live your best life, and money will no longer be a problem, okay? Much love to all you. Get back right now with whoever invited you to this call, and make sure that you are on our live trading session tonight. Everyone that gets started tonight, your first live trading session where you can trade with us, see what's going on and see profit, right? Whether it's a demo account or a live account, you can actually trade with us and see this for yourself, right? Let's make it happen. I'll see you on the inside. I'll see you on the trading session. Let's go. Much love. Bye.